I'm holding my literally phone. This is like 30,000 dirham, so I've vlogged like so many times, but I haven't posted since. So, oh my god, stop! Stop! Oh my god, stop! Stop! Okay, thank you. Of course. Hello? Hello? Yeah. Anyways, guys, this off shoulder, it didn't fit, but now it actually fits. So, see, I love this. See, my little teacher gave it to me. Wala! That's the only way I love it. It has light. Anyways, we're almost there. Only a few kilometers to do. Yeah, kilometers, I guess. Please correct me in the comments if I am wrong. Yes, please correct me. I won't get mad. We're here. Yay. We're here. Even though it's already turning night. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. We're here. Have to get off. Guys, we're here. We're here. We're here, guys. We're here, guys. Bye, guys. See you later.